We're very happy to have you all here today.
Tourism is our lifeblood, and it sort of transcends just the traditional things that we talk about, sun, sea, and sand. Everybody has that. But it's now evolving into a diverse spectrum encompassing, importantly, sustainable tourism, ecotourism, sports tourism, volunteerism.
Given our high dependencies on tourism for economic growth, we need to ensure that we have a tourism policy in place that emphasizes balanced growth and development, greater community participation, and increased benefits to local communities, as is mandated by the revised Treaty of Bastille.
Regional integration is very important, and I think one of the most important vehicles for us to have effective regional integration is through having a common tourism policy.
We do have commonalities in the region in terms of our tourism products, in terms of livelihoods. To be in the room with my colleagues from around the region, we were able to meet and to collaborate and to share ideas.
It makes sense then for us to develop tourism as a single policy, because alone we'll only develop in minute parts of it, and we'll find ourselves year after year complaining about the same thing.
And certainly we recognize the importance of not only centralizing our action, not only at the national level, but also to ensure that we contribute significantly to the regional context in which tourism will develop.
Although each country may have their individual goals, it is always important for us to align as a region, as an OECS region.
The OECS Common Tourism Policy serves as a pivotal guide to the other destinations in the OECS for the development of tourism.
It is of strategic importance for the OECS member states to be meeting here in Antigua to finalize the engagements that we would have had over a year.
The tourism policy update is funded by the World Bank's Unleashing the Blue Economy of the Caribbean initiative within the OECS.
Seize the moment so we can shape our future and have one where the industry thrives, where it's a beacon of sustainability.